I see a pile of junk and I see so many things in that material, whether it was cement or metal or wood. I see so many things, you know. I see the first doors I built, this table that I built, this desk I built. If you're creative, man, you can see it. Hello, my name is Mario Aguirre. I mean, some people call me an artist, some people call me a hustler. People just, they kind of call me different things because I do a lot of different things. I'm just now seeing that the things that I see as obvious, most people don't see it. Maybe it's just because I was around my father and that's what he did. My dad, he would build stuff out of whatever he could find. There were 6 of us, and I remember being in this little tiny trailer that he had pulled from Venice, Arizona. In order for us to expand the house, he just built this huge structure, and then we just parked the trailer right next to it. We lived in a small town in Arizona. We were the only ones from Mexico. You know, he didn't speak English, so he had to teach himself. He was so resourceful, which is really empowering. And so just being next to him, it taught me. Some people call me a mathematician. I'm not a mathematician, but I was a math teacher. I got a job at a charter school, which is a great school. They really pushed me. I think that we should teach kids how to solve real problems in real time. It becomes more relevant, it's more empowering. So then I was bringing all these tools to teach kids. The school, they were really happy that I was bringing the tools, and I just was in complete disbelief, and we were building some really cool stuff. What was weird about that is the school inadvertently gave me the freedom that it just made me want to do other things besides teach. It's not that I didn't want to teach there, I really loved it, but I enjoyed the tools and I wanted to spend more time doing that. It's very liberating. I feel sometimes like it's like a yoga class. It's very soothing to me to build things. It's a meditation. I just feel so relaxed. Even though it could be really loud, I feel really relaxed. I used to do yoga a lot, and ever since I got into power tools, I don't go back to the yoga class. You never know what you can come up with when you're building. If I'm out there, you know, flowing free through the world, there's so much opportunity. I just wanted to get my hands on those tools. It's those tools that are gonna amplify my potential. You know, there's no limit to what I can do or you can do. And if you can do that as a builder, you're gonna be successful.